Hi guys, so let us understand how do we access free models on Ideavo. As you can see, currently we are on the home page of Ideavo. In the chat box you can see by default the model that they use, Claude Sonnet 4.5. When you click on this you get to see multiple providers. Zen Open Router. Zen currently provides 16 different models. Open Router provides 15 different models. All the models which are available for free you can see are tagged as free. Uh, to bring in the API key and access these free models, hover upon any of these, click on Connect API key. Now you will be redirected to Settings dialog box. Click on Get Key. As we are accessing it through open code Zen, we'll click on Get Key right beside that. Great. Now you'll be redirected to Open Auth homepage, which is open codes Zen's homepage. Basically you can either log in through GitHub or you can continue via Google. I'll choose to continue via Google. It will just take a moment. Once in, on the left side you can see API keys. Click on it, copy your key, go back to Ideavo, paste the key and save it. It will take a moment before you get redirected to homepage of Ideavo. Great. Once redirected, now you can access all the free models. You can select Big Pickle, Grok Code Fast or any other. Thank you so much.